Hello there, thanks for coming back to see me. I've got something for Easter today. And I've never tried this before, so we're doing this together. Puff Pastry Nutella Nests. So something that the big ones, the big people can have as well as the little people. Something that's nice to have with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee on Easter morning while the kids are doing their Easter hunt. So let's try this together. All right, so I have 2 pieces of defrosted puff pastry that I've bought from the supermarket. I don't make puff pastry. I'm not going to ever try. Bit beyond my skill set, I think. Plus, when you can get such good quality puff pastry, why would you bother? Of course, I've got some Nutella. Now, if you can't get Nutella, you can use a chocolate spread that you like or a hazelnut spread that you like. It doesn't have to be Nutella, but I'm using Nutella for this because that's the recipe states use Nutella. So it says use 100 grams, which is a small jar. This is a 1 kilo jar, so it's a big jar. So I'm going to try and do this the best I can, and we'll spread this around. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, that's great. Love it. So I'm just going to spread this around on the pastry as evenly as I can. Now I have my oven preheating to 180 Celsius. Let's have a look here. Need a bit more. Here we go. Oh, this is lush. Look at this. Oh, how delicious. Oops, a daisy. If you've got a palette knife, that would be ideal for this. I don't have one, but that's okay. You use what you've got. And if it's just a knife, it's just a knife. You know, I'm sure it'll work just as well. So I'm bringing it to the edges as best I can. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful. That's not too bad. Forgive the rattling. That's young Marco trying to get into a room he's not allowed to get into. Here we go. So I'm just going to leave like now. Your second piece. This has got the plastic wrapping on the back. I'll just remove that, of course. And we're going to place that on top. There we go. Look at this. Beautiful. Now, with a sharp knife, they said, cut it in strips. And then, right, so you pinch it at either end, like so. Make a little, then you twist it once, twice, 3 times, and then we just put it on the baking sheet. Little nesty things. So I'll do that again. We will repeat the process. There we go. Just pinch the edges like so, and we just twist it. You just twist it until you're happy with the shape. So we just twist them all around and sit them Oh, they already look so cute. So I'll come back once I've finished and I'll show you the next step. Okay. So I've finished my little parcels. I have 1 egg beaten and I'm going to glaze the pastry. Give it that beautiful golden brown sheen when it's cooked. So do this. You can be as liberal as you want with that. The egg. Oh, look at that, beautiful. I can't wait to try. I have a very sweet tooth, but in saying that, I have a very savoury tooth as well. Maybe it's just food. Why not? It's the stuff of life, isn't it? And these haven't taken long at all, so this is something that you could do early in the morning. You could probably even prepare it the night before and keep in the fridge. I don't know. I might try that. So that's it. Although I think the pastry might dry out if you kept it in the fridge the night before. Okay. Right. Now let's pop this in an oven. Now it says for about 12 minutes, but I'm just going to keep an eye on it. So here we go. Oh, look at them. Oh, don't they look smashing? Oh, lovely. Look at this. Oh, very hot. Now I've ended up cooking these for 14 minutes in my oven on a 180 fan force. Obviously everyone's oven is quite different, but that's what you're looking at. So we'll come back when they're cool and I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. But so far, very pleased. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks delicious. Let me try a bit. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's decadent. That's delicious. So my little nests have cooled and they are absolutely delicious. They would be very, very nice warmed up in a moderate oven for a couple of minutes before serving. So you could cook them the day before, have them ready. And if you wanted to make it a little bit more decorative, I've got some beautiful little mini eggs, Cadbury mini eggs, and a dollop of Nutella on the top. You can make that for the children and maybe for the adults. You could warm these with a nice cup of tea or coffee on Easter morning and enjoy. So thank you for being with me today. I hope you get a chance to try this because it's absolutely lovely and easy, especially since I've discovered that you can cook them the day before, keep them in the fridge, warm them a little bit before serving. So I'll see you next time.